Thank you for watching this video. This is Shava from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I have a very exciting video because I received not one but two packages from Postal Love. So Sharika from Postal Love has a Patreon account, and I subscribe to the highest tier from her Patreon, and she has sent me these packages that's part of the reward system for that particular tier. So I have the January, February, and March packs over here today, which I am very excited to unbox with you. So I just got these packages this morning. I didn't do anything. I didn't open them, except I cut the sides so that we can open it together. But before I do that, I just wanted to share with you the very cute and colorful packaging that Sharika has in all of her meals. So she uses all of these interesting postal stamps, postage stamps, and I will for sure be using them in my journals moving forward. So we have this for the February pack, and this is the one for March. So I will just go ahead and slide the goodies so that we can go through them together. So that's what we have. So maybe I'll put this to the side, and then we can look at this first.
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me, so I follow. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Chatter with the flowers. Watch the seconds turn to hours. It's time for high tea. Madmen in hats and cats up in the trees. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Wondering I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.